Selaginella kraussiana. A plant description. Plants are the unique living entities as they have power to harvest light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy in the form of food through the reaction called photosynthesis. Only because of the plants the earth is surviving. They are the mysterious wonders in the world in terms of size, shape, mode of reproduction, and evolution. Based on these, they are classified into algae to angiosperms. From algae, the first water-living plants. Bryophytes are the amphibians, live in both water and land. But Pteridophytes are the first true land plants, evolved after bryophytes. They were the first plants having vascular tissue, namely xylem and phloem. So they are called as vascular cryptogams. Haeckel in 1866 called these group of plants as Pteridophytes because of their pinnate or feather-like fronds or leaves. Club moose, horsetails, quillworms, water fans and tree fans belong to this group. Selaginella kraussiana is one of the most awesome plants in this group. If we want to know more about this plant, first we want to know its classification. According to the APG4 classification, the plant Selaginella kraussiana having the position Domain Eukaryota, Kingdom Plantae, Clade Techiophyta, Clade Lycophyta, Class Lycopodopsidia, Order Selaginellae, Family Selaginellaceae, Genus Selaginella, Species Kraussiana. Its botanical name is Selaginella kraussiana, A. Brown. Selaginella kraussiana is commonly called as spiked moss. They are distributed in humid temperate and tropical forests. The plant body is spore-site, 2N, and it's differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Selaginella kraussiana having pore-shaped creeping stem with a short erect branches and dimorphic leaves. While we explain the root system of this plant, it possesses two kinds of roots. One, primary root and adventitious root. Primary roots are short-lived. An adult plant has adventitious root. The roots arise from the point of dichotomous branching or knot-like swelling present in the basal portion of the stem. Roots are endogenous in origin. Rhizophores are the special structures in this plant. It is long, cylindrical, and branched and leafless structures. Arise from the lower side of the stem at the point of dichotomy. They grow vertically downwards and produce tufts of adventitious roots. The stem is erect, dichotomously branched, pore-shaped with lateral branching. The pore-shaped stem is dorsiventral. Dorsiventral means dorsal and ventral side of the stem. In the dorsal side, it receives a high amount of light and dark in color and having the two rows of dorsal leaves. In ventral side, it receives a low light and pale in color, having less number of ventral leaves. Selaginella kraussiana having dimorphic leaves. It is heterophilous in nature. They produce two types of leaves. The dorsal side, it possesses two rows of small leaves called as microphyll, and the two ventral rows of large leaves called as megaphyllous. And leaves are microphyllous, scissor, and simple. A single midvine present in the leaf The vegetative leaf as well as the sporophyll bears a small membranous tongue-like structure on the adaxial surface of ligule. The basal part of the ligule possesses hemispherical mass of a thin-walled cell called as glassopod. The function of ligule is not known, but it is believed to be associated with water absorption, secretion, prevent dissection, and Selaginella kraussiana presents two types of spores. It is heterospermous in nature. At the tip of the stem, it bears cone or sporangia. Sporangia or spore-bearing bag-like structures are borne on a special leaves called sporophyll. The sporophylls get organized to form cone or staurobills. Dimorphic leaf means it possesses two kinds of leaf.